Welcome to Nightmare Junkie. Tonight we will be showing you 12 scary Ring camera videos. These videos are deadly real and creepy, and will have you thinking about getting a Ring camera yourself. Warning: this video contains some jump scares. It is highly recommended you don't watch this video if you have any kind of heart issues. You have been warned. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1. In this frightening video, the homeowner's home is easily accessible to the robber thanks to an unsecured security door. The robber starts to kick the door down. Additionally, he is also armed, which just makes matters worse. His pals chase him into the house, and then there is a significant shooting exchange. Following their escape from the scene, the suspects vanish, and it is unknown what became of them. But hopefully someone caught them, and they ended up in jail. Number 2. In Rancho Cucamonga, California, homeowner Warner was able to capture this horrifying encounter in the open on her doorbell camera. These two aren't who they claim to be. That much is obvious.
Oh, the child care insurance. I'm like, who's Marco? Let's get you your...
Huh? What happened?
I backed up. I called him, so I stopped, but he kept going, but I know... Damn it, Rocky. What happened?
Huh?
What happened? Who hit you?
Thankfully, the woman was unharmed, and nothing bad happened. Number 3. In this stealthy video from Oklahoma City, a man is seen exploring someone's yard at night with a flashlight while searching for something. The situation is made 10 times more terrifying by the fact that he appears to be carrying some sort of saw. How could this man possibly need a saw so late at night? Fortunately, the man is informed of the homeowner's presence and is instructed to leave right away. The man makes a valiant effort to explain, but fails terribly.
What the fuck are you doing, you fucking moron? Huh?
Oh, well, hell, I was looking around here.
Fucking dumbass, bro.
Right here.
What the fuck are you doing, bro?
I was trying a piece of wood right over here, but it didn't work out. And then...
Fuck you, bro. Fucking moron.
Number 4. In this terrifying video, when this upland, California household resident later saw their security camera footage, they weren't prepared to see this enormous bear. However, as you can see, that is precisely what approached their front porch. The homeowner said that the bear was probably just looking around for some food and didn't seem to be too bothered by it. What would you do if you saw this? Let us know in the comments. Number 5. In this fighting video, unexpectedly on a day that appeared dreary, a huge lightning strike occurs directly outside this homeowner's house, dangerously close to the pool and the neighborhood. Fortunately, no one was outside at the time of the incident. It would have taken a miracle for nobody to get hurt that day. Number 6. This scary video happened in Los Angeles, California, in the middle of the day. 2 masked males can be seen jumping a fence and coming up to this residence. Even though some dogs were keeping watch outside, they didn't bark at the intruders. The masked men just managed to get inside. Two minutes later, they can be seen leaving the building through the front door and fleeing to a white getaway car on a different camera. Number 7. In this video, the French bulldog of this woman is frighteningly taken from her front doorstep in this video. Surprisingly, the dog doesn't appear to become anxious when picked up by an outsider. Fortunately, the woman was able to retrieve her dog, thankfully. But as she was only a couple minutes later, she definitely would have woken up to a pooch that just vanished into thin air. Number 8. In this video, a porch pirate approached this person's property in Los Angeles, California, and took something from them. It wasn't a parcel, though. It included much more valuable material. A pet dog. The man can be seen grabbing the dog as he tries to lift it over the fence. And after a few difficulties, he succeeds in doing just that. Let's hope that the offender is brought to justice and that the poor pet owner is reunited with their cherished dog. Have you ever had your pet stolen? Let us know in the comments. Number 9. Have you ever witnessed a zombie-like person walking up to a house and starting to spew zombie words? That's exactly what happened to this unfortunate homeowner in Portland, Oregon, whose doorbell camera captured it.
Oh, thank you so much. Please tell me you're awake. Please tell me you're awake. Otherwise, I'm going to think that this house might actually be mine. Please, they told me from the hospital. Come here. I swear. I swear. I swear. I swear. Ha. 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 Hua! Ah! Hua! Hua! Four times! And over here! Ow, fuck, God damn it, I'll fucking hate it. That's right there!
It's clear that the guy was under the influence of some sort of drugs, And thankfully, the homeowner made the wise decision to not answer the door and try to engage with this zombie. Number 10. In this video, this poor woman was returning home, perhaps just returning from a fun night with some friends when she suddenly got ambushed by a group of armed men on her front porch at around 10 p.m.
Go ahead.
Your keys.
Here. Here. Okay. Go ahead. What happened?
The woman gets robbed, and then, when one of the family members answers the door for her, she tells them to call the police. Number 11. In this video, number 12. The fighting video took place in Bakersfield, California. In this video, the woman is merely being used as a setup for the victim. The woman is directed to knock on the front door. The victim opens the door after seeing a woman by herself through his peephole. That was a bad decision. Two armed men, one brandishing a 12-gauge shotgun and the other a revolver, then started breaking down the man's door. There's not much more we know about this frightening video. Hopefully these men were caught and arrested.